I'm so excited. Oh my God.
What? What?
Oh my God.
Two hours of hiking has led us to this moment. So I think we I don't know. Just kidding. I have no clue what I'm talking about.
What does this sign mean at all?
No skirts? Is that us? In shorts? What does that have to do with cars? Oh my gosh.
Are you kidding me right now?
What? What is...
What?
We just stumbled across this. No big deal. There's a view of the city up here. It's coming up. Chinese tourists, of course. What? That's the city over there. Just another Saturday. Killing it.